Hello traders, welcome to Investoo.com and welcome to the Fibonacci series. Today we're going to talk about the most powerful feature of Fibonacci, which is confluence. Okay, confluence is defined when two levels are close to each other. Now we're going to go to the charts and I'm going to explain to you how you can find confluence using Fibonacci levels. Now this is the same hourly Aussie US dollar chart, so I'm going to go ahead and delete everything we've done so far. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to find confluence around this level. Okay, we already know that this level was tested as as resistance, and now it's being tested as support. So this could be a great opportunity to go long on an already bullish market. So how are we going to find confluence using Fibonacci levels? Well, that's easy. First of all, we're going to grab the Fibonacci levels of the entire move up. Okay. And as you can see, we do have the 38.2 in confluence with this level of, of previously tested support and resistance. But what we really want is find confluence between Fibonacci levels. So what we're going to do is we are going to look for other Fibonacci levels, not only retracement levels, but also um, extension levels. And the reason is that we want to have confluence on retracement levels, but also we want to see if these are targets to the downside for shorts. This means that not only we are going to find buyers on a retracement level, but sellers that were short from the highs are going to start taking profit at the same levels, which means that is going to have another bullish pressure on this currency pair. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab the Fibonacci levels from this leg up and from this leg up, I'm sorry, and we are going to see if any of the default Fibonacci levels are in confluence. And as you can see, we do have the 61.8 in confluence with this 38.2. Remember that they don't necessarily have to be one in on top of the other. What we are really looking for is confluence of an entire zone. So basically, we do have the 38.2 of the entire move, the 61.8 of the last leg up, and now we're going to grab a Fibonacci extension to see which level we are looking at right now. And as you can see, we are right there with the 161 extension. So not only we have good retracement levels on using the Fibonacci retracement levels, confluencing with the previously tested zone of resistance, but we also have targets to the downside, meaning that we have an extension of this leg down, which means that this makes for a very, very, very strong level. Okay, and this is how you are going to be looking for inflection levels, okay, or inflection zones. Now, if we grab the Fibonacci retracement from this leg or from this last leg, we are going to use the default Fibonacci levels to see if we have an actual extension of the last leg, or not an extension, but to see if we are hitting a zone of over retracement. So we are going to go ahead and look at the defaults. And as you can see, we do have the 161.8 of this leg down. All right. So basically, what I'm telling you here is that by using Fibonacci levels on different legs of the move, you might find confluence. And when you find confluence, well, you are going to, when you find confluence at a strong level of support or at a strong level of resistance, you are going to find for an even better or for a higher probability setup. Now, what we are looking here is this zone right now, from this low to this high, okay? From the low of the move to the 61.8, which is the high of the retest. Or I'm sorry, which is the low of the retest. So basically, this is the entire area that we are going to be looking to go long. And if we break with this low, well, our trade idea is no longer valid. But it makes for an extremely high probability setup to look for confluence in Fibonacci levels at very strong areas of support or resistance.